apply the dreaded Hemitick. How to prevent that? Well, have you heard about the Hemi Oil Pump upgrade? This heart transplant can be a lifesaver for your Hemi 5.7, 6.1 or 6.4 from 2009 and newer. You see, lifter failure is a common issue with these engines, but the Hellcat pump, it's a different game changer. It delivers a higher oil volume and more pressure. The stock 5.7 oil pump has around 58 pounds of pressure at cold idle, but drops down to 20 pounds at hot idle. With this upgrade, you'll boost your cold idle pressure to around 89 pounds and 43 pounds at hot idle. This ensures that your lifters are constantly bathed in oil, reducing wear and tear. And less wear and tear means less chance of lifter failure. Why not go with a thicker oil, you ask? Well, thicker oil will only increase pressure but will not deliver more oil, believe it or not. Higher volume is the key to prevention. If you're interested in purchasing this Hellcat pump, click the link in the description. If you're interested in increasing horsepower on your 5.7 Hemi engine, then watch this next suggested video. Remember, follow us for more gearhead content.